Pain it's not only body pain. It takes a toll everywhere.
Yes.
Your mental, spiritual, emotional aspect, your social aspect, and Indian is the financial aspect. Posture. That's the most important thing. Sit tall, walk tall, lie tall. Because your spine is made an S curve in the body. And we are reversing it now and we're making a C. As when we coach couch slouch, we do computer work, we forward bend, we just make it a C of the spine.
Yeah.
And we make a C of the spine, there's an extra load on the disc. Painkillers are bad. Please don't self-medicate yourself. ये खराब चीज है, ये नुकसान कर सकती है लॉन्ग रन में, and especially when you have a diabetes and other diseases along. वो किडनी को फर्दर डबल डैमेज करता है. तो अवॉइड ऑल दिस पेन किलर्स.
सिटिंग इन द सेम पोस्चर, हमारे पोस्चर्स खराब है, एक ही चेयर में बैठ के वो कंप्यूटर के सामने हम पट काम करते रहते हैं. व्हाट आर दोस कॉमन मिस्टेक्स दैट वी आर मेकिंग?
अब बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं, किस पोस्टर में बैठ रहे हैं, ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड है. आपकी चेयर क्या है? मेरे जो पेशेंट जो भी आते हैं बैक पेन, फर्स्ट डे आई टेल देम गो होम, चेंज योर कंप्यूटर चेयर्स, चेंज योर सिटिंग आवर. जहाँ भी लॉन्ग सिटिंग आवर्स है, चेयर है.
ये दूध का कैल्शियम से सही में कुछ लेना देना है या इसका कोई रेप्लिका हो सकता है? और वी आर जस्ट थिंकिंग कि दूध भाई बहुत बड़ी ताकतवर दवाई है कैल्शियम की.
दूध का ये है कि कैल्शियम इज डेफिनेटली सप्लीमेंट्स हैं. इन चीजों के कुछ सप्लीमेंट्स आ गए हैं, मल्टीविटामिन्स एंड ऑल, दे आर देयर, बट ट्राई टू बी एज नेचुरल एज पॉसिबल.
एज नेचुरल
एज पॉसिबल.
Hello and welcome to Canada TV. This is Amrit Singh and आज हम बात करेंगे about the most frustrating topic जो हम सबकी जिंदगी में आए दिन लगातार होता ही रहता है, and that is back pain. Tell me about it. क्या आप भी बैक पेन की प्रॉब्लम से गुजर रहे हैं? कई बार हम इंस्टाग्राम पे वो फनी वाली रील्स देखते हैं ना, ओ आई एम ओवर 30 और ये तो होना ही था. बैक के इश्यूज, बैक के पेन, स्पाइनल प्रॉब्लम्स, स्ट्रेस, लॉन्ग वर्किंग आवर्स, एक ही जगह पे टिक के बैठने वाला काम. देयर कैन बी सेवरल रीजंस जिस वजह से ये बैक पेन हो रहा होगा, लेकिन डूइंग नथिंग अबाउट इट इज रियली वर्स देन फेसिंग द प्रॉब्लम. तो आज आई हैव अ स्पेशलिस्ट विद मी, डॉक्टर नीरज जैन, जो कि इस वक्त मेरे साथ यहाँ स्टूडियो में बैठे हैं, एंड इट इज़ माई प्लेजर टू इंट्रोड्यूस हिम. यू नो वाई? बिकॉज बैक का सवाल है यार. अगर मुझे कोई सोल्यूशन आज की डेट में मिल जाए और वो भी नॉन सर्जिकल, then that is good, right? So let me introduce him, Dr. Neeraj Jain, जो कि इस वक्त यहाँ पे मेरे साथ बैठे हुए हैं. He is a spine specialist, pain specialist. तो चलिए इनको इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं. हेलो डॉक्टर जी, कैसे हैं आप?
Hello Amrit, how are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Thank you for NITV for putting up this topic because it's such an important thing to make people aware.
Yes.
इतना rampant problem, इतना rampant issue है. It is said 80% of the people in their lifetime is going to go through this back pain, nasty back pain, you know. And it has become commoner now because of the lifestyle in younger, and that too in younger generation.
That is
true. It used to be an old age problem. Now it's becoming a young age or middle age problem, and totally because of lifestyle. See what has happened, Amrit, in last generation or two. There is a big change in the lifestyle and all gadgets which we have now. We have the laptops and we have a mobile coming and other things coming. So what is happening is people are not used to all these things 2 generation back. Our grandparents, they never used it, by the way. Now they started using हमको देख के and grandchildren को देख के they have started using it now, and वो उनको सिखाते हैं उल्टे, है ना, बोतियाँ सिखाते हैं. The point is because हमारा जो evolution है वो thousands of years and hundreds of generations में होता है, और ये जो drastic change हुआ है वो 1 या 2 जनरेशन में हुआ है. तो हमारी जो बॉडी है वो एडजस्ट नहीं कर पाई है, अभी इवोल्यूशन एडजस्ट नहीं कर पाया. तो ये जो टेक्नोलॉजी रिवोल्यूशन हुआ है वो हमारी इवोल्यूशन को डिस्टर्ब कर दिया उसने.
एब्सोल्युटली ट्रू.
इसकी वजह से many people आर सफरिंग विद न्यू पेन्स, जो पहले नहीं थे, अननोन थे, या न्यू डेवलपमेंट्स हुई हैं. So science has to catch up with this. See what has happened is because of this revolution, technological revolution, evolution couldn't catch up, and जो नवी प्रॉब्लम आ रही, न्यू पेन्स आ रही हैं, and that is taking a big toll on the young people.
Yeah.
And they being very busy in their careers, in their ambitions and all, they put health as secondary problem. Their primary thing is
earning
their
money.
work, money, and then all this thing, new thing coming up, and this gives a chronic pain. The acute pain turns to chronic pain, and chronic pain is not only bodily pain, it's a central pain, it's a mental pain, mind pain, and it gets into the head. Now becomes a bigger problem. You have a physical pain, you already have a getting chronic mental pain also, and that becomes a vicious cycle all the way. So we have to break this cycle. There are very, very good treatments available these days. Nobody has to suffer when such a good treatments are available. And they all are non-surgical, as you really mentioned earlier. They all are non-surgical, and we can always and should give it a try. But there is always a right time. It shouldn't be too chronic, too old a pain. And then again, one important thing is, suppose you do a treatment 3 years or 4 years down the line, and you get fine thereafter. There are n examples, Matlab, it's just an example. A young child suffering, and parents came. They were ambassador to other countries, and the boys were in the school, and it came to me 3 years of pain, and I treated him in one go.
Achha.
Now this boy comes back to me, doctor, I should have met you earlier. I wasted 3 years of my college life.
Yeah.
See, the pain it's not only body pain. It takes a toll everywhere.
Yes.
Your mental, spiritual, emotional aspect, your social aspect. And Indian is the financial aspect. Very, very vital in India and other places for that matter.
एक बीमार तो पूरी फैमिली
पूरी फैमिली इफेक्ट हो जाती है. पूरी फैमिली इफेक्ट हो जाती है. तो situationally, I always advocate people, you don't suffer. See a specialist. There are solutions available. And you can be back to your normal life. You can be back to your routine, or back to your ambitions, Take a break, treat yourself, and go ahead with a faster speed in life. So that is much desired. And you don't lose those 3-4 precious, like that child he was telling me later on. And he was about to commit suicide because of disturbances, other things. Some people get into all this thing.
He was ready to commit suicide?
Oh, I tell you, he was. And see what happens. It's not only single pain thing. The other things also come.
The
add on in the breakups and other things. They all think add on all this.
And what was the age of that patient?
He was 23, 4, 5. And I told you, it's a VVIP kind of thing, ambassador's son. And the idea is then later on, maybe he exaggerated with me. And sometimes it happens in life. But fact of the matter is, he was suffering. The family was suffering. The whole environment, get one member in the family gets jittery, the whole family gets disturbed.
But I would really want to know कि ऐसा क्या होता है कि as a 30 plus women, I understand कि मैं जिस एज में हूँ वहाँ पे बैक पेन होना शायद obvious है, लेकिन एक इतनी young age की लड़की को होना,
this is I just cut you short there. Obvious नहीं है. Back pain at your age is not on.
Not obvious.
Not on, because see, mother or lady in a family, she's the core. She's the base of the family. And in true sense, if I tell you, she's the spine of the family.
Her spine is not working.
And if your spine is not good, obviously the whole thing gets disturbed.
Yeah.
And the lady takes a big load of the whole family. And this part of the world, they're doing working also. So they're working, and then they have kids, they have family, they have responsibilities. So I don't want them to have any, blocks in their, maximize responses, what they are doing, responsibilities. So I would rather not take this head on, ki they have to suffer. No. They don't have to suffer. And first of all, for any pain, there is something called prevention. Prevent it. And that's with this program will take a long way into people understand that people can prevent the problem, avoid the issues coming, or can really prevent the aggravation part of it, because they don't know. So what to do and not to do is the important thing.
हम ज़्यादातर ignorant mode में चल रहे हैं rather than preventing the disease. और इसे disease कहेंगे या ये कुछ ऐसी चीज है जो it's not hereditary, right?
Not truly, which there are some portions, some diseases which may be hereditary, like arthritis and all. But most of this disease and all, they're not hereditary. Yes, it does run in families because of the lifestyle of the family.
The lifestyle
of the family.
जिस तरीके का खाना शायद मेरी फैमिली कंज्यूम कर रही है, वो सीधे इफेक्ट कर रहा है.
खाना, उठना, बैठना, आपके सोफास कैसे हैं, यो काउची स्लाउची हैं, आपका जिमिंग है कि नहीं है, ये सब चीजें ऐड ऑन हो जाती हैं to that thing. And second is, अगर फैमिली में बड़े लोग कॉन्शियस हैं तो यंगर को कॉन्शियस करेंगे.
Very nice.
Like I give you a very simple example. If my child, for that matter, if he's not sitting in proper posture doing his computer work, I'll immediately tell him. Because if I knew it, I'll tell him. If I'm not conscious of the fact, how will I tell? How will I guide you?
Yeah.
So whole idea is it runs in the family for many such reasons. The very culture of the family and what ergonomics you have, what chair and thing all. So many time pain is mostly to do with the posture. So we keep telling people, patients, everybody around, and all people seeing the program, posture. That's the most important thing. Sit tall, walk tall, lie tall. That's the important thing, because your spine is made an S curve in the body by nature, by God,
Oh, yes.
and by evolution also by chance. And we are reversing it now, and we're making a C. As when we coach couch slouch, we do computer work, we forward bend, we just make it a C of the spine.
Yeah.
And we make a C of the spine, there's an extra load on the disc, and these discs are spongy disc basically, by the way.
ये आप इसमें मुझे अगर
Yeah,
बताना
yeah. I
चाहें
was
तो।
about to tell you. I was about to take you through this. And by the way, the back pain is much commoner than diabetes and heart and cancer. But how much importance we add to other things and forget about the back pain just
Oh my
because it
God.
is one of the pain. No,
And
it is
it is the
treatable.
most painful.
Real facts are here.
And most common also.
Most common also. It's a very, very 80% people will go through. After common cold, the commonest attendance of the pain or the clinics or hospital patients coming is a pain.
Oh.
And of that, back pain is very common. Post headache is very issue, and back pain is very, very common
And
problem.
most dangerous.
And dangerous. It is take a big toll. It takes a big toll. And I'm saying it's not only the physical, it's other aspects also involved, and we have to treat it. And what people do very, very often is they start taking painkillers.
And I am
Tylenol,
guilty for that. I am
ibuprofen,
one of
everything.
them.
I tell you, many, many people. I've seen people coming from this part of the world to me, or when I come down here, I open their drawers. They're full of ibuprofen, full of paracetamol, and Tylenol, and other drugs, because they pop and they go for work. They pop and go for work.
Easy solution. That
Easy
quick
solution.
solution.
No, but there is a hindsight of that. When you look for easy solution, look what happens next.
The kidney. Oh my God.
And they have the kidney gone, and they have to go for dialysis. It's a analgesic nephropathy, painkiller nephropathy. People who are intelligent, they understand. Painkillers are bad. Many times they would know by themselves. I want to pass a message to all people who are seeing the program. Please don't self-medicate yourself. ये खराब चीज़ है, ये नुकसान कर सकती है लॉन्ग रन में, and especially when you have a diabetes and other diseases along. वो किडनी को further double damage करता है. तो avoid all these painkillers as far as possible. For acute pain, yes. For 1, 2, 3 days, for a week, yes.
Yeah.
You might have to, like trauma हो गया, injury हो गया, चोट लग गई. But not as a habit. People are having a habit in this part of the world because they're so work pressured. उनको बस टाइम नहीं है, डॉक्टर को देखने का टाइम नहीं है, और ऑल दोस डॉक्टर्स के पास भी टाइम नहीं है. यहाँ तो वेटिंग लाइन इतना लंबा है, 6 months वेटिंग है.
That's true.
So that's another negative thing.
It's an addiction actually. अगर मैं कहूँ आपको addiction हो
Addiction
गया
नहीं है, ये उनकी requirement है which they're putting
बहुत-
into all this.
हाँ, I
Yes,
know,
yes,
it's-
yes, yes.
it's
And you
very big.
rightly said it's an easy solution.
Easy
They immediately pop a pill and go. Now they don't know your kidneys are going. And the worst part is God has given you 2 kidneys, but not to damage you with the painkillers, because 1 kidney you can still donate. If people do donate, still they manage it. But what happens is many times people come with the high urea creatinine after taking long-term painkillers, especially arthritis, chronic pain. They have been taking for ages, and there's no solution they found. Although there are solutions now, which I told you, and I'm just going to tell you now. इसलिए वो जो किडनी डैमेज होती है, तो जब फर्स्ट साइन आता है किडनी डैमेज का, व्हेन द 50% ऑफ द बोथ द किडनीज आर गॉन, तब आपके पास फर्स्ट सिग्नल आता है मेरी किडनी डैमेज होनी शुरू हो गई. इट्स नॉट द फर्स्ट % में 10% में पता लगता है.
अच्छा
50-50 इज गॉन, मींस आपके 2 की 1 किडनी हो गई है ऑलरेडी. तब आपके पास पता लग रहा है कि मेरी किडनी जा रही है. So that's a worse situation because there's no parameter. हम लोग जब भी क्रॉनिक पेन किलर देते हैं तो हम KFT किडनी फंक्शन टेस्ट कराते हैं इसी रीजन से कि हमें पता लगे किडनी डैमेज तो नहीं हो रही. इट हैज हैपेंड गुड नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स. लोगों ने अपने आप ही डाइक्लोफेनेक या कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग पेन किलर ले लिए. इट गिव्स अ गुड पेन रिलीफ इंस्टेंट,
क्योंकि उन्हें पता तो चल नहीं रहा था. सिंस यू सेड 50% होने के बाद देन दे गेट टू नो.
द इशू इज अवेयरनेस. मालूम नहीं है लोगों को, और इग्नोरेंस, अवेयरनेस, और पता भी है तो इजी सोल्यूशन में जा रहे हैं और उसको सेकेंडरी रख रहे हैं. जब वो होगा तब देखा जाएगा. इट बिकम्स ए बिगर टोल. अब हर तीसरे दिन चौथे दिन डायलिसिस के लिए जा रहे हैं, एंड योर किडनी, एंड देन यू स्टार्ट लुकिंग फॉर अनदर किडनी व्हिच इज ए बिगर इशू. अब किसी किडनी मांग रहे हैं, अभी मुझे किडनी दे दो. So it's not great idea.
That is bad.
So, and other
then
thing is,
I think that comes a point. There comes a point जहाँ फिर तो भाई ऐसा point आ जाता है where you go under the knives, and that is not good. I don't really feel कि going under the knives is a good solution all the time.
I tell you that when I told you there's so many non-surgical solutions available. This is new science, by the way, and well, it's really well developed in USA part and some part of the world, but in many part of the world, the pain is really undertreated. It's under-recognized, and it's undervalued, in other words. And there have been situations when people suffer, others don't believe. Even doctors, they don't believe. Patient comes to us sometime, I've been suffering with pain. And for cancer pain, people give instant treatment. Cancer, pain hoga, treatment kiya. But there have been situations with chronic pain where the people are suffering and you don't see anything. It's not over the body, it's inside the body. And patient only knows.
Yeah, only we can
शुगर
know.
ब्लड प्रेशर डॉक्टर बताता है, आपका कोलेस्ट्रॉल डॉक्टर बताता है, बट पेन तो पेशेंट बताएगा ना.
बिल्कुल.
तो इट्स सो सब्जेक्टिव ए थिंग. तो बट पेशेंट को हम कहते हैं नहीं तुझे कुछ नहीं है, एंड देन दे आर स्टार्ट बीइंग लेबल्ड एज साइकोलॉजिकल और हायर सेंटर प्रॉब्लम और मेंटल इश्यूज,
That's bad.
एंड नाउ बिकम्स ए बिगर इशू. एक पेशेंट है मेरे पास पेन के लिए आया और वो रियल पेन डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है मुझे, और मैं कह रहा नहीं, इट्स ए वेक
It's just a
पेन, इट्स ए फेक पेन, यू
Ah.
फेकिंग, and it's psychological, and you have something in their head. Now becomes a bigger problem. This one patient who is sitting with me and with a real pain, I gave him another pain now. I kind of blamed the patient, that the patient is wrong. So for my own inefficiency of not knowing, realizing or diagnosing the pain, I'm blaming someone else. That's not fair. And even if it is so, you never say the patient is in your head. Never ever. Because it really, propagates and it stays into their mind as well, कि I have a psychological issue. This is not great to say, even with those people who have it, by the way.
Yes.
So this is one pain, and there have been instances again when I said one time earlier, people do commit suicide sometime because they're suffering and you are not giving treatment. There's a hopelessness, helplessness come in, and then
there's no way out.
There's
Then
no
they
way
have
out.
to
It gets a
choose.
vicious cycle. People get into depression, and depression and pain are very related kind of phenomena. Interdependent also, autopromotory or mutually aggravated. So that's not the right thing to do.
That's
Always,
not what we want also. I think, Dr. Neeraj, I really like this about you, कि किस तरीके से आप एक patient को physically ही नहीं, आप emotionally भी
see
एक
patient
support.
wholesome way, on
हाँ,
whole body way,
wholesome
wholesome way.
Wholesome way को
Wholesome
समझना
way.
बहुत जरूरी है. कुछ सवाल हमने यहाँ पे आपके लिए तैयार करके रखे हैं, so that we can
I'll
go
be more
through
than
it.
happy to answer
Yeah,
anything.
one by one we can go through.
Yeah.
कुछ ऐसे common mistakes हैं जो I'm going to talk about South Asians only because ये इंडिया से belong करते हैं. हालांकि इनके lectures आप all over the world across देखेंगे, लेकिन क्योंकि मैं खुद एक South Asian हूँ, I'm from India, क्या कुछ ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जो हम पर्टिकुलरली ऐसा कर रहे हैं, बी इट सिटिंग इन द सेम पॉस्चर, हमारे पॉस्चर्स खराब है, एक ही चेयर में बैठ के वो कंप्यूटर के सामने हम पट 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 काम करते रहते हैं. व्हाट आर दोस कॉमन मिस्टेक्स दैट वी आर मेकिंग?
People see, first of all, जो आपने पॉइंट बोला, एक अवेयरनेस रियलाइजेशन इज इम्पोर्टेंट. यू कैन ऑटो करेक्ट. आप बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं, किस पोस्टर में बैठ रहे हैं, ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड है. आपकी चेयर क्या है. मेरे जो पेशेंट जो भी आते हैं बैक में, फर्स्ट डे आई टेल देम गो होम, change your computer chairs, change your sitting hour, जहाँ भी long sitting hours है, chair है, and never be a couchy slouchy. आपको टीवी देखना है, मूवी देखना है, एंजॉय करना है, कुछ भी देखना है, नेटफ्लिक्स देखना है, आप अपने सोफास को couchy slouchy नहीं करें. People sit, eat, and they become couchy slouchy, and they kind of, pouchy also for the matter. And that adds to the problem. Pouchy also. So that way it adds to the problem. So we should be conscious of the fact, because सच्चाई ये है अमृत, वन लाइफ टू लिव, इसको मैक्सिमाइज वे में जीना है, सफर नहीं करना है. और कई बार मैं मजाक में कहीं कह जाता हूँ भाई सफर अच्छा कटना चाहिए, सफर नहीं करना चाहिए.
सफर नहीं करना चाहिए,
सफर अच्छा करना चाहिए, ये जरूरी है हमारे लिए. तो ये एक चीजें हैं. यहाँ पे जैसे आप अवेयर हो जाते हैं तो आपने अपनी चेयर चेंज कर ली, पोस्चर करेक्ट कर लिया. इसमें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है आपका ए रूटीन एक्सरसाइज.
रूटीन एक्सरसाइज
वेरी वाइटल. People don't know because all the back is in a bone. It's a single bone up there.
Yeah,
single column you can call it. घर में कई कॉलम होते हैं. स्पाइन में भगवान ने एक ही कॉलम दिया आपको.
बिल्कुल.
उस कॉलम को ठीक रखना जरूरी है. सिंगल कॉलम पूरी बॉडी टिकाई है. सिंगल कॉलम में टिकाई है. उस कॉलम को करेक्ट रखना जरूरी है. उसके लिए सपोर्ट सिस्टम है मसल्स. तो जब आप एक्सरसाइजेस करते हैं, रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, पैरास्पाइनल मसल्स को, एब्स को, बाकी मसल्स को स्ट्रांग करते हैं. नी प्रॉब्लम होती है, हम क्वाड्स की एक्सरसाइज कराते हैं. सेम वे स्पाइन की प्रॉब्लम होती है तो हम बैक मसल्स की, एब्स की एक्सरसाइज कराते हैं, सो दैट बॉडी का लोड स्पाइन पे कम हो जाए, मसल्स पे लोड आ जाए. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द लोड, दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट. तो अगर रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज करते हैं और नहीं टाइम मिलता है फॉर सम रीजन, तो वीकेंड पे एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. सो आई कीप टेलिंग पीपल, try to do something like half an hour exercise every day if possible, if your time permits. But वो prioritize करने वाली बात है. अगर
किसी
आपका
की जिंदगी में कुछ ऐसे होते हैं कि हमारी सेडेंट्री लाइफस्टाइल होती है और वो जिम जाना अगर प्रेफर नहीं करते, अगर आप कुछ ऐसा कुछ बता दे कि घर में बैठे बैठे कोई कुछ 5 मिनट 10 मिनट अपने लिए वक्त निकाल पाए, अगर जैसे मैं मम्मियों की अगर बात करूंगी, देर आर सम मदर्स हु आर वर्किंग एंड देन घर आके वही खाना वाना बनाओ,
हाँ।
बर्तन धो, बच्चों को संभालो, इसके बीच में अगर वो टाइम नहीं मिल पा रहा है, व्हाट इज दैट इजी थिंग? अगर आप
नहीं, आपने बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट छेड़ दिया है। जो मम्मियों की आपने बात की, तो पहले मैं इस पे आंसर ये करूंगा कि जो मम्मियाँ जो काम कर रही है अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी एक्सरसाइज है। पहला पॉइंट तो ये है, इतना सारा दिन काम करती हैं, बट स्टिल सम स्पेसिफिक स्पाइन रिलेटेड एक्सरसाइज दे शुड डू. Yoga is another very big thing. If
Oh.
they are habitual for yoga, if they can do for yoga, yoga is another very important thing. But I would still say some gymming about half an hour, 15 minutes per day is helpful.
It is.
It is for one reason. If somebody is a gymmer, they're more efficient in all aspects of life, be it mental, physical, working aspects of life. So gymming is, adds value to your efficiency, in other words, and your health also. So doing a gym is vital for them. Half an hour, right? I'm not saying 15 minutes even,
15
but it's important. 15 minutes even is important, but good gymming, good exercise in that way. If not, then you're home, you can't go to gym, you can do some yoga, some at-home exercises, have a mat, and start doing abs exercise. There are few exercises, if you do it, your spine will not give you a big bother. They call it spine strengthening, spine stretching exercises, abs exercises, So those are, mini sit-ups exercises. They do help. But yes, I am on side of the those ladies who are really working hard, because they, as it is doing a big exercise, they are managing it, everything. Another thing, they have to be conscious of the posture, because if they have a long working hours, so anybody, right from school children to old age people, anybody, I would say, if you're conscious of the posture thing, your half the problem is sorted.
मैंने कई बार देखा है गाड़ियां जब लोग चला रहे होते हैं, पीछे वो एक्यूप्रेशर वाली जो चेयर में एक सीटिंग लगा देते हैं ना, वो जिसमें राउंड राउंड कुछ शेप्स बनी होती है, बस मजा आ रहा है, हीट लगा देते हैं अपने और बस यूं 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 करते रहते हैं एंड देन दे फील गुड अबाउट इट. बट ये एक्चुअली कुछ फर्क पड़ रहा है इस चीज से, या वी आर जस्ट डूइंग इट फॉर द सेक ऑफ डूइंग इट?
No, one is life has to be enjoyed. That's number one. Life has to be enjoyed. So if they're enjoying it, let them enjoy it. Number one.
Yeah.
Number two is, this is, if there is a heat obviously is a very helpful for the body.
Yes.
Heating is, because you have a very cold country here, and heating is a must kind of scenario. So that heat is helping the spine part. And thirdly, those small points is, one is acupressure points. They do help. And second is, sometimes there are massages also. So it does massage. When there's a massage, means it really shaking your muscles. When the muscles get shaken, the muscles get into action. So this is a kind of a passive active muscle exercise. You're not doing exercising, but those shakers, they are moving your movers.
They are moving your movers somehow, pushing you.
When your muscles move, so that adds, to muscle exercise. So that is, it's okay. But again, when you sit in the car also, I don't want people to sit in a slouchy way. That does happen many times. और जो बाइकर्स हैं जो झुक के कर रहे हैं, आगे झुक के.
Yes, bikers. Such a good point. I see them actually.
Exactly, forward bending and doing this biking and all. So for long hours, not great. Another important thing is, which is very vital when I'm talking about gym. So I do say, कई बार मजाक में कहते हैं, Salman Khan syndrome and other people,
So too much of gymming.
So much of gymming. They want to be like, everybody wants to be like Salman Khan.
Salman Khan.
Now the point is, Salman Khan has got gym trainers, his system, his gymming system is puri team hai, and they know how to. And here are the young boys, they want to have all this body make, and they go to gymming. They don't have a big trainer, big guide, and the machines also, and they overdo it. So I have got many people who are weightlifters, gymmers, especially young people. I've been gymming and now I have a back pain. So initially, for all pain, back pain, it's initially the back pain which may be staying for weeks to months or years together. And suddenly on a given day, when they travel, when they would lift weight and they have something important coming up, or they lift the suitcase and all, and suddenly the pain goes down the leg, or they're brushing in the morning, and the suddenly pain goes down the leg. Now the back pain is kind of gone and leg pain has started. The whole philosophy
it's all
is
interconnected.
Oh yes, it's like this, See, the point is, now again I told you it's a lifestyle. When it's a laptop,
everybody of us, look at this.
Another thing which I forgot to mention, Amrit, is not only the laptop, the mobile menace.
Look at this.
All day. You see when you go in a restaurant, public place, or in a metro for the metro or train,
Oh,
you know,
yeah.
30, 40 people sitting, 100 people sitting, 80% would be on the phone.
It is actually a lifestyle these days.
It is a lifestyle now. It is addicting. People are, there's a true addiction for the mobile and people know it. So, people 3-4 hours is an average. Some people are doing for longer hours. Can you imagine?
Even the kids. I have a 5-year-old. Doctor, you wouldn't believe. My 5-year-old would do this all the time while gaming, and I have to say कि यार बेटा बस करो, आपकी आंखें खराब हो जाएंगी, आपके पीछे पीठ खराब हो जाएगी, and then there's no.
You're saying for 5 years. I've seen a 5 months old kid. They are happy with the mobile. The first thing they get
There's
comfortable
no
with is the mobile.
And that is when you said कि family में ये run हो रहा है.
जब वो मोबाइल हटाते हैं तो बच्चा क्राई करने लगता है.
Yeah.
It is. I've seen actually in true sense.
Yeah.
And then you give the mobile. There's some cartoon going
connection.
or some music going on. Suddenly the child is happy again. And this is very 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 vital. So this is a lifestyle disease. और जो इसका इशू आया है, which I want to appraise people know it. जब आपका हेड का स्कल का वेट अबाउट 6 पाउंड रहता है, जब आप 5 डिग्री बेंड करते हैं, यू एड अनदर 6 पाउंड टू योर नेक मसल्स. There's a strain on the neck muscles. You bend 10 degree and there's another 6 pound added. It becomes 18 pounds by then. 5 pounds is originally there. And when you bend further another 5 degree, you can imagine adding another 6 pounds. The actual muscles which have to carry about 6 pound has to now carry 24 pounds. So what happens? When you're adding weight to your muscles, obviously they're going to pain. The whole neck muscles, they start bothering. The back of the head, back of the neck, they start giving you an issue. And suddenly this becomes a cervicogenic headache also.
Oh.
Even the headache comes up later on.
Oh, yes.
And this is called a cervicogenic headache. It's many times to do with muscles. People come, my trapezius muscle are paining, my back shoulders paining, my neck muscle are paining. This is just because of that. We are not taking a due note of this. Now we have to reverse it. We have to do, some other exercise and all. But most important treatment for these patients, if they come to me, if I know they have a back pain because of this or neck pain because of this, take the mobile away. That's the only solution to them. If the mobile is around, वही आप diabetes treat कर रहे हैं और sugar भी खा रहे हैं, treat कर रहे हैं, sugar भी खा रहे हैं, तो you're taking both the things, opposite things together.
अब क्योंकि इस चीज से हटा भी नहीं जा सकता है, some of us has very important work to do.
Limit your time.
और maybe the way we hold it, क्योंकि ना मेरे जो father in law हैं, sorry आप बुरा मत मानिए अगर वो सुन रहे होंगे तो, क्या हुआ कि उन्हें फेसबुक देखने की बहुत गंदी आदत है. अब मैं क्या बोलूं?
नहीं, उस टाइम में वही एंजॉय करते हैं.
he loves to see and he is actually a lawyer. तो उनको वही एक टाइम मिलता है रात को. तो क्या हुआ कि उनका पोस्चर यूं था. अब ये चीज उनकी पकड़ गई. अब ये धीरे करके उनकी पूरी बैक में चली गई. अब जब हमने उनसे पूछा कि पापा क्या हुआ, उन्होंने कहा बस कुछ नहीं, थोड़ा सा पेन हो गया, बट वी नो व्हाट हैपेंड.
नहीं, मोबाइल के साथ साथ देखे, जैसे कोई लोग मोबाइल में यहाँ रख के कान पे लगा के और यूं बैठे रहते बात करते, the neck start bothering, they're doing work and they're doing tap and they're with this pain, the neck pain starts up when they're doing this. And the advocacy is, आप computers पे हो या आप मोबाइल कर रहे हो, rest your shoulder, elbows. And then you take your hand up in there and then you start doing it. So it always comes in front of your eyes. Number one, the monitor should be in front of your eyes. If it is there, your neck is not bent. You're seeing it, your eyes are not strained. Number two, and most importantly, your shoulder and neck muscle are not strained. If you're doing everything in air, like even if you're doing laptop, if you're working on a keyboard, always rest your elbows.
Your elbows.
Elbows. So I always say the chair which you have, when you ergonomics, the elbow rested chair.
Very nice.
Elbow rested. Or if you're better off, then you can rest your wrist on the table and on a soft padding, and then you do your laptop work. Same is for mobile. You have to do texting and all. People have a BlackBerry thumb syndrome many times, this call, because they used to do this and their thumb started paining, which is never in the civilization. The only is the thumb pain, separate thumb pain. And this is a new thing come up. So always advocacy is कि ये चीजें अगर आप overuse करोगे, which is not in line with the nature is going to give you back.
Yes.
One way or the other. And you see what is happening in climate all over the world. We have floods, and we have droughts and whatnot, This is happening all over.
Nature is not aligned with
climate
our
changes. All those volcanoes and hurricanes and whatnot going on, tornadoes. This is all to do with, so you're disturbing nature. And God is more powerful. Nature is more powerful, always remember. We are getting powerful. We're controlling nature in many ways, but still, always remember, at the end, it is the nature and God. So the point comes is that you're doing a BlackBerry, this was there, the laptop thing is there, now the mobile menace has come in. So these ergonomics, but problem कहाँ है अमृत, कि लोगों को एक रियलाइजेशन नहीं है, अवेयरनेस नहीं है, थॉट में नहीं है, ये उनके थॉट प्रोसेस में, रिफ्लेक्सेस में जाएगा, तब जाके वो करेक्शन करेंगे, तो दे विल नॉट सफर बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. दिस इज अ प्रिवेंटिव मोड ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम. द अदर थिंग कम्स इज द treatment mode, which I'll
तो होता रहेगा, आपका prevention ही नहीं हो रहा है.
It's the most important, prevention. This is preventable. By the way, these are preventable problems, and one should always try to make a point that it should be prevented as far as possible. Yes, many times people realize when it has already happened. This is truth. जो हमारी क्लिनिक पे आ गया, इसका मतलब वो प्रिवेंशन वाला टाइम खत्म हो गया उसका. अब तो ट्रीटमेंट टाइम में आ गया वो. तो मुझे उससे कंसर्न है कि हमारे पास आने से पहले वो प्रिवेंट कर ले तो इस लाइफ विल बी बेटर ऑफ.
बट आई रियली लाइक दैट यू हैव नॉन सर्जिकल ट्रीटमेंट, क्योंकि कई बार ना डर लगता है कि कुछ इस तरीके के बड़े बड़े ट्रीटमेंट्स उनके किसी के भी कान खड़े हो जाते हैं और फिर तौबा तौबा करते हैं कि भाई नहीं हो पाएगा, शायद इतनी हिम्मत नहीं है हमारे अंदर. सो नॉन सर्जिकल ट्रीटमेंट जहाँ शायद मुझे भी इतनी अवेयरनेस नहीं थी कि क्या ये भी पॉसिबल है.
Science is very powerful, number one again.
Yeah.
Like when you say nature, science is equally powerful because man is driving the science. The point is कि इतना नया, इतना non-surgical, इतना least invasive treatment आ गया है to do with pain and spine, both problems. I do say 80% people suffer with pain. 60-70% can still manage with the physiotherapy, lifestyle changes. There are about 10% people, 20% people who have a serious back pain, which needs a treatment, which needs to see a doctor. Of them, another 70-80% can be managed with the physio and other things, for sure.
Yeah.
But again, you're left with some 5-10% patients, जिनकी actually में कहीं intervention की ज़रूरत है. Now, intervention used to be surgery only earlier.
Oh, yes.
So there lies
Big
the
time.
change of the thought. जिसको मैं एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ, आज से 50 साल पहले हार्ट सर्जरी हुआ करती थी, तो लोग हार्ट सर्जरी नहीं कराते थे, 5-1 साल निकल जाते थे, हार्ट अटैक हुआ, चल दिए. वो कहते हैं अभी सर्जरी करा ली तो आज चला जाऊंगा, सर्जरी नहीं कराई तो 5 साल तो निकल गए मेरे. दैट यूज्ड टू बी सिनेरियो then came the angiography, then stenting and all, interventional cardiology. Look at the change. Young people, 30s, 40s, it's very common with the people having a heart problem now, heart attacks. Younger age, especially younger age, because of the eating habit, lifestyle, cholesterol, other things, and lack of exercise, then job pressures, all these things are adding a problem for them also. So for them, getting surgery is out of question. But again, you can't leave a patient with the cardiac problem. So you do a stenting. Same situation comes with the spine also. When I say young age people, when they have a very big disc problem, big disc coming up, and the leg pain has started, they're not able to walk. They're taking leaves from work,
yes,
and you see them limping around and with the belt around. So that is not with the belt around in there, So it's not a great thing for the young person to go through this kind of torture, in life, and it really takes you the back seat. It's not great.
It's not
so
good.
the whole idea is there are non-surgical treatment which corrects you and put you back to your front seat.
अच्छा, लेकिन ये जितने भी आप नॉन इन्वेजिव ट्रीटमेंट्स बोल रहे हैं, हाउ डज इट वर्क? क्या मतलब ये ट्रीटमेंट ऑनगोइंग रहते हैं या ये एक बार होते हैं एंड देन यू आर गुड टू गो, या आप बार बार आपको कंसल्ट करने आना पड़ता है?
गुड क्वेश्चन. First of all, always teach patient a lifestyle and other things. That is a base. For anything like a diabetes of treat करें तो उसको lifestyle disease treatment कराएंगे, hypertension में या heart patient में भी for that matter. Lifestyle has to be corrected.
Oh, big time.
Second, yes. And second is, these all non-surgical treatment are basically needle treatments. We are needle surgeon, in other words, like angiography I told you. So they can be very well controlled, treated, managed with the needle procedures.
Wow.
So these are very, very good treatment for all through the body, from head to toe. It means there are about hundreds of those syndromes which were managed surgically and which don't need surgery.
Wow.
With the new treatment coming up, so everybody wants to be a least invasive. Like there used to be time prostate सारे open surgery होती थी, gallbladder सारे open होते थे. आज कौन ओपन कराता है? लैब कॉली किया, इधर दूरबीन डाली, उधर हो गया. इवन hysterectomies वो मिनी. So people are going from big to mini, and robotic surgery आ गया. So who wants an open big cut? There's a fear of surgery, fear of anesthesia, fear of complication, and that is bigger in the spine. The spine surgery phobia is very common in the society.
Big time, yes. I remember जब मेरा C-section हुआ था, the doctor said कि although we are giving you that injection जो आपको स्पाइन में डाल के आपको पूरा बेहोश कर देते हैं, आपको नीचे से पैरालाइज, they said it can even go worse. अगर कुछ ऐसा वैसे हो गया, I was like, Oh my God, I don't want to go through this. And just imagine जिन लोगों को open surgery करवानी पड़ती है. That is
No,
so
no, no.
scary.
I tell you, seriously, those people are going least invisively. Same way with the spine, because it's very advanced now. And we like they used to be cut about 10, 15 centimeters, 6 inches, you can call it. Same thing we can manage in 6 millimeter. In 6 inches, converted into 6 millimeter. There have been slides I'll show you after this.
Oh yes.
So you don't have to, no big cut, local anesthesia, under local anesthesia, no stitch surgery, no stitch procedures.
Oh wow.
And you just go inside, everything is visible on the monitor. So such a beautiful treatment has come up, even in the bad cases. I'm talking about the bad, worst cases. Earlier cases, you can manage. Now we have a regenerative medicine which has come in a very big way.
Regenerative medicines.
Yeah, regenerative therapy is medicine is come in a big way. So you're going to make you young again, in true sense, you know. So be it the
That's
spine,
interesting.
be it the joints,
Wow.
be the spine, be the joints.
Pain-free
people
life.
have pain-free life as far as possible. See, one life to live. I keep telling people,
Oh,
please
yes.
live it pain-free,
Pain-free.
because there are treatments available.
Yes.
So that's my tagline.
The
But
tagline.
I'm still tagline. But still, I'm trying to make people aware there are. The only problem is meeting the right practitioner, right caregiver, and the patient who is suffering. So there's a mismatch there. There's a gap in there. A patient doesn't go to the right person and then doesn't get the right treatment, and they're suffering.
They are
So that's bad. I think that's there. Your role is very, very big. With those awareness things and all, at least you make people aware. Yes, you have a problem. There is a solution. You meet the solution now.
And the solution is there. Dr. Neeraj Jain हमेशा ही आपके साथ हैं. So India में you are from New Delhi, you are saying. तो
Yeah.
New Delhi के तो patients का वाह वाह है, बिल्कुल. वो तो मजे में आपसे मिलके. हमारा क्या सर, हम आपको कैसे मिल सकते हैं? And what is the? क्योंकि देखिए, to be very honest, हमें 2 साल होने वाले हैं कनाडा में. I have seen a lot of patients suffering. क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखिए वेट टाइम बहुत ज्यादा होती है. यहाँ पे एक एक चीज के लिए हजारों टेस्ट करवाने पड़ते हैं because doctors are confused. Doctors get really confused. उन्हें एक एक चीज ध्यान से देख के MRI scans हो गई, different scans हो गई, blood test हो गए, and then they come to a conclusion. और अगर मैं इंडिया को भी कंपेयर करूँ तो वहाँ पे भी बहुत कुछ गलत.
वहाँ अलग प्रॉब्लम है, यहाँ अलग प्रॉब्लम है.
सीधे पेशेंट्स को धोखा मिल जाता है.
नहीं, पर फैक्चुअल पोजीशन ये है कि यहाँ पे वेट टाइम ज्यादा है. नंबर 1, यहाँ प्रैक्टिस डिफरेंट है. यू हैव टू सी ए जनरल प्रैक्टिशनर फर्स्ट. द प्राइमरी केयर गिवर फर्स्ट. His specialist skills are not all that that he can really pick it. So they treat in their own way, in a conservative way as far as possible. So that is one wait time. And then your wait time is, if he refers to a specialist, there's a 3-4 months waiting.
Exactly.
So the point is, it's already so dissuasive that you don't pass it on because there's a long waiting. So he keeps waiting for another 3-4 months.
जब तक मैं वहाँ पहुँचूंगी तब तक तो मेरा damage और बढ़
damage
चुका
हो जाएगा. So there have been many patients from this part of the world, even from UK. I keep getting people from Western world, even from USA. Because the wait time is too long, they fly to India, get their treatment done, and enjoy Taj Mahal also, and come back in a week's time. Week's time at maybe 1/3, 1/4 of the cost.
Actually, many people does that.
No, but that's the right way. Why one should suffer if the system is not friendly, patient friendly? In other words, system is system friendly only. System is not that patient friendly. So I keep seeing many people suffering with pain because there's a delay in the actual treatment given. There are few doctors here who can deliver, but point is there are few. That's one part. Very few who can deliver that kind of care. Number 1, or specialist care. And number 2 is because system doesn't allow the communication gap. So the gap is there from the patient to the doctor, specialist doctor. So that needs to be corrected. But again, there is a suffering which has to be minimized in totality. The system has to be conscious of it, because system per se doesn't really know much about these very high-end treatments which are there. Otherwise, they couldn't really promote all this referral business and then put it to the right doctor and treat and get a right treatment at the right time. Now, for knee, there is known. People at knee, they go to knee surgeon, knees operated.
Yeah, I know. Knee replacements. सुन के बड़ा डर लगता है ये सारी चीजें. But I think I do not mind, and I would really suggest कि अगर कुछ इस तरीके की तकलीफ है, हमारे लिए अभी भी इंडिया जाना बहुत आसान है. जितना अगर आपके पास टाइम है. मुझे नहीं पता आपका अपॉइंटमेंट मिलना कितना आसान होता होगा.
But for you people, like, they're brothers and sisters. They are so close to heart. Yeah. And they are very much, and they are good patients, by the way.
Yeah.
In generality, people who are here and they come to India, they're very well behaved, good patients. and they are not, much hanky-panky about monetary aspect also, mostly,
Yeah.
So you try to give them the best
Yes.
because they're really paying and they are come from this part of the world per se. Although we try to give everything, even to my people. I do my workshops, every 6 months. So people from all over the world, they come. So I do treat in the camps, free patients, 10
Wow.
surgeries every day free for 7 days. So 70 surgery will be done free.
कि मेंटली भी आप उनको प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं कि पहले वो जो प्रिवेंशन वाली चीज है तो कर लो.
हाँ, पहले वो करें. Prevention, right treatments
Wow,
available. There
that
are
is so
doctors
nice.
now. Regenerative medicine is therapies are coming. Please believe, because many time all this younger patient where I'm talking,
Yeah.
somebody's got a spine pain, knee
Yeah.
pain, other pains or muscular pain for that matter, or all any joint pain. Shoulder pains are common. There are regenerative therapies, which is better therapy, more ideal treatments
अच्छा.
than the steroid. We used to be do a steroid, we call it steroid jockeys. Now the regenerative medicine, PRP, growth factors, they have,
Wow.
or stem cells to some extent have taken over. Although it's
हाँ,
not
आपने
all that
stem cell की
recognized.
मुझे कुछ एक स्लाइड दिखाई थी, बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग सी है.
हाँ.
I am so impressed by the science, किस तरीके से हम
This is about the
growing.
lifting, that you really have to, sit down first and then lift. Otherwise, your back is going to go. And
Oh,
the
yes.
disc ruptures. Disc is like a jelly. When it ruptures, the whole thing comes out. We can repair it back with the regenerative medicine.
Oh,
This is new thing which
yes.
I'm calling. It's just coming. Be it the
Regenerative
cervical
treatments.
or the lumbar. And good for younger people. Like if my son gets into a back pain and all, I would not advocate for any surgery, especially younger people.
Definitely.
And when it is treatable non-surgically, why should I go for a surgical cure? But because it is not been done, so it keeps getting progressive. So suddenly one day this ruptures and the nerve gets pressured, you can see,
तो
and
आप
typically sciatica starts.
सो आप कह रहे हैं कि ये जो पीछे वाली स्लाइड थी आपने कहा था दैट इट इज फिल्ड विथ फ्लूइड.
It's a jelly. It's a jelly
gel.
inside, so it ruptures. There's like a tire and tube. The tire is strong and tube is, you have a tubeless here, but in India we have a tire and tube kind of thing. So then if the tire breaks, the tube is going to rupture, no? So that way the tire is holding. It's like a hydraulic system in the car.
Oof.
So there's a liquid hydraulic system. The hydraulic breaks, the gel leaks out. So that really goes and touches the nerve. And when it touches the nerve, the pain goes down the leg. So that's typically sciatic pain.
That is so true. Exactly, doctor. This is exactly what happens.
Mhm.
Especially talking about me, क्योंकि I am a mother और मैं 34 years की हूँ. मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है कि आफ्टर डिलीवरिंग द चाइल्ड उसको उठा के मैंने अपनी बैंड बजा दी अब पीठ की कि आज की डेट में पेन इज अ नॉर्मल थिंग फॉर मी. ट्रस्ट मी एंड आई एम लिविंग विद इट. और मेरे जैसे बहुत लोग हैं जो इस वक्त शर्मा रहे होंगे, हंस रहे होंगे कि आई एम ऑल्सो वन.
I know it's a common because दो बातें यहाँ पे. एक तो कहा कि yes, living and all, it can be reduced, minimized, that should be tried. Number
Yeah.
one, don't take it head on कि pain है तो होगा or it is part of life. No, it's not.
It's
You accepted
very
it so it is part of life. Otherwise, it's not part of life. It is unnatural,
It is
to have
unnatural.
pain. And number two, अगर आप मुझे एज नहीं बताते मुझे पता नहीं लगती.
नहीं अब तो बिल्कुल.
So these days we have all these newer gadgets. We say we have a CM machine,
Doctor in
ultrasound machine.
action.
Yeah.
That is very nice.
So this is all needle treatment, and these are injections. They take priority over the surgery.
wow.
So I do all these articles on the newspaper and all for public awareness. Slip disc with sciatica, new non-surgical treatments.
Sciatica बहुत ही known term होगा. I think हमारे सारे जनों को पता ही होगा.
It's a leg pain which is coming from the back, and just
Yeah.
because sciatic nerve is made of 5 nerves, any nerve gets pressed, it turns into sciatica, and it's got a pain map. So this era of least invasion, as I told you, because we don't have to go for cut opening the thing. So we all can manage all this with the needle procedures. You can see all this.
Very nice. This is amazing.
All these needle procedures. Even if it's a big disc, we have those endoscope. Look at this big disc, huge big disc.
Oh.
Patient was in bed. He couldn't walk, to the loo also. And you just put in a forceps, take it out, see the big fragment out. And it's so surprising. You
That
can
is
manage with a
amazing.
small thing and the patient is back to normal. This young man is only 37, yeah.
37 years,
37.
correct.
So it's back to normal. So the people come from all over the world. You just to remove that bad thing which has just gone wrong place, and you have to remove from there, and patient is happy.
Can you believe it? इतनी छोटी सी चीज आपको कितना trouble दे रही थी, but
It's in a very small space. It's a space wide. Spine canal is very, very small. It's just few millimeters. And when the disc comes out, because
Yeah.
it's not a natural place, it encroaches into the spinal canal,
अच्छा
into
जी.
the spinal cord or the nerve area. There gives you pain.
Very
And by the way,
naughty.
the poor nerve is, you can't do anything about it.
Yeah.
It is just sensitive. Just like if it touches the elbow somewhere and suddenly the current goes down.
Correct.
So something happens in the spine also. The current goes down the leg or arm for that matter. But this is the very next hour. As soon as you finish with the
Acha.
procedure, patient is walking to the loo.
That is amazing.
So this is the beauty of the science. And you have a happy patient now there. And otherwise, you keep seeing these patients suffering like this. They keep hitting the back because they're not getting the right treatment. Or
we are also doing this.
Or
by the
even
way.
because the surgery couldn't help with these patients. There are instances.
Oh my
Even the
God.
surgery couldn't help these patients. You can. All with needle treatments. They are correctable, treatable. And now I told you the biologics. We call it a PRP, stem cells and all. They are there. And they're doing a great job for this patient. Another thing which you said, ladies, they have the sacroiliac pain. Especially in pregnancy, they say 70% ladies will have a back pain.
Yes.
And post-delivery,
It
the
was-
60% is corrected, not 70%. So 10% they have a carry-on pain
Oof.
for some time to come. So that's why the exercise, lifestyle, prenatal exercises, postnatal exercises, they really help these people
Okay.
to reduce the chances of the pain, because there's a change in the anatomical change in the, not only the uterus, in the pelvis also.
Pelvis.
So they start getting sacroiliac joint pain and all. You treat them, but if it gets
Oh.
bad to worse, then you have treatments coming up, and then you have all this. Another thing which is there, I must tell people, this is called tailbone pain. With people like you, me, or other people
Very
sitting
bad.
long hours. Especially I'm talking about the young people who are sitting computer chairs for hours together, and the tail is something which touches the bottom, and or the sofas, or especially when you're in a harder chairs, harder couches, there it hurts you more.
तो फिर ये जो हमारे बड़े बुजुर्ग हैं वो यूं क्यों कहते हैं कि अगर आप जमीन पे लेट के सोएंगे तो आपकी पीठ बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाएगी? I
लेट
mean,
के सोना और बैठ के काम करने में फर्क है.
फर्क है. अच्छा.
Because your tail touches when you're sitting.
Oh.
When you're lying, your tail is in the air.
Okay.
So
Fine.
when we're talking about tail pain,
Ah.
there is all to do with the long hours of
Oof.
sitting on a hard surface. On a hard surface. There, like you go on metros and all for hours together. And again, another thing is the situation is which kind of posture you adapted. If you're sitting a slight front bend, it's okay. Tail is in the air. If you are at the back side like slouchy, again the tail touches. Like we are sitting, the tail is touching the bottom. If somebody develops a pain, it happened during COVID times. Let me explain how.
Oh yes.
It happens during COVID. Many young people who are doing work from home, even now, and they have 1 hour, 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. They were doing 10 hours job, or job hours the same, and they were sitting in the bed, right? ऊपर शर्ट पहना है और नीचे कुछ जो भी है,
और laptop
पजामाज में
अपने
है और लैपटॉप है, and they're
गोद में रख
working
के.
and lap में रख के, and now you're sitting on the bed with the legs extended. Now the tail touches the bottom,
Oh.
the ground, and now is the time they start getting pain. This happened. Many people develop the tailbone pain, the lower lumbar disc disease for the same reason. So suddenly there was a spurt of patients, young patients coming post-corona with new things coming up, the back pain and tailbone pain.
Huh.
We had to treat those people. First is all this conservative management, we do it. Next is, if it is really bad, it's not getting corrected with 4 weeks of treatment, all treatment you've done.
Yeah.
Now it's injection treatment. Just take a
Injection.
needle in there, and just like you take COVID vaccine, there's another kind of vaccine now for the pain.
I really like this thing, but it is, I think it is life saving. बहुत बहुत मुश्किलें आपकी संभल जाएंगी अगर आप वो एक इंजेक्शन मुझे भी मिल जाए.
नहीं, ठीक रहें, अच्छे रहें, खुश रहें. So I remember a class fellow of mine, नीरज तू सबका पेन ठीक करता है, मेरे को पेन है, he's a pathologist.
अच्छा.
And मेरे को टेल में पेन है, मैं तो कॉक्सीडायनिया हम बोलते हैं, कॉक्सिस पेन है, तो treat my pain. He said, तू पहुंच जा, आजा, I'll do it. I remember it's 10 years now. I gave him one shot, and by grace of God, he's all fine. He never had that pain again.
Wow.
So this is such a rewarding procedure. Many of such procedures, very, very rewarding. And otherwise, he was suffering for a few years. And see, when you're working on something and your mind is on your tail, or for the ladies I told you, when their mind is in the pelvis, the pelvic pain syndrome, so it takes a big toll, especially in the peak of their careers. These ladies are very high-end achievers. They are CEOs of the companies and all, and they have this more often. And then suddenly your mind is in your pelvis because there's a pain in the lower pelvis. And really it takes, you can't tell everybody around, for headache,
Yeah.
you will die of headache. But
Yeah.
how a lady would say, I have a pelvic pain, it's
No.
not possible, So that way, you keep suffering by yourself. It's an auto-generation scenario.
The
or
quality of the
auto-promotionally.
work also that you're doing will also
Yes,
suffer.
yes. Obviously,
somehow.
even if there's a headache in the pelvis, if you call it, then it suffers. But there are good treatments available. One need not suffer. Get a right treatment. There are very good ammunition available with pain specialists. They treat the pelvic pain, at least control it for that matter, and one is back. See, it's like a dark day and night. When you through the night, it's all dark there. Suddenly you have a sun coming and all day comes.
Yeah.
So when they get pain free, it's a difference.
It's a
See difference in their life.
world.
See difference in their life. So
लेकिन लाइफ की जैसे हम बात भी कर रहे हैं, क्या कोई ऐसी डेफिशिएंसीज हैं हमारी बॉडी में? बिकॉज वी आर इन कनाडा, वी डू नॉट गेट अ लॉट ऑफ सन. जब आता भी है सन, इट इज सो हार्श कि हमें वो हार्शनेस भी एक्सेप्ट करनी पड़ती है, बट वी नीड दैट सन, वो थोड़े ड्यूरेशन के लिए. पर क्या बॉडी में एनी डेफिशिएंसीज दैट आर हैपनिंग दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉजिंग समहाउ दैट पेन?
True, because what happens is when you don't get sun for months together, obviously your vitamin D deficiency comes up because it's all to do with the sun exposure, which is not there. That's why people, when there's a lot of sun, they go to the beaches, they expose themselves and they're trying to gain vitamin D3 from Surya Bhagwan ji. Surya Bhagwan, Surya Devta se lena chahte hain. So that is there, but it can be supplemented. D3, you can really pop a pill very weekly and it's taken care, if you're deficient. But if you're not deficient, I always say regularly, all people at age 30 plus or 40 plus, they should take a vitamin D3 every month.
Vitamin D3.
And especially the vegetarian people, because non-veg does have a little more of vitamin D3 component. Vegetarian, they're short of it.
Vegetarian diet.
Yeah, calcium and D3, they should. It does not mean take so much calcium they start making stones out of this. But yes, there is kind of a low dose calcium which has to be taken regularly. So there's no stone formation, your bones are healthy, and you don't have a osteoporotic pain at the older age coming. I'm going to talk about it after this. Yeah. But that's another thing which comes because you didn't take it. See, osteoporotic pain when comes at the age of 50s, especially menopausal ladies, it's not because your calcium is low at that point in time, because your calcium is low when you're 17.
Oh, okay.
So that really reflects there all the way because it is already low. Now start going further low. Start further low. It's like a bank balance, If you start a low balance, it reduces fast.
I get it.
So that way, vitamin D3 replacement and calcium supplements is advised. And then healthy diet for that matter. Healthy diet is a very normal, usual thing. Should happen.
Basic.
All these junk foods and all the fast foods is not a great idea, which is very rampant in this part of the world. You have an obesity epidemic in Western world, very, very big. It's coming to India also now.
American diet की अगर हम बात करें, they are obese. मतलब ये problems हैं ही हैं, existent हैं. And
it's coming to India also for that matter lately.
Oh yes, it
People
is.
are getting obese there also. It's all to the lifestyle and availability of food and what exercise. Now these people are smart. They eat and they exercise, so they burn out. In India, they eat and they don't burn out, so they get more obese on that, and then your obesity-related issues come in. But still, in generality, the obesity is commoner in Western world, and that adds to the problem. Adds to the health issues.
छोटे-छोटे बच्चे हैं डॉक्टर्स, जैसे अगर मैं बच्चों की बात करूं जो दूध नहीं पीते हैं, पहली बात तो आप मुझे बताइए कि ये दूध का कैल्शियम से सही में कुछ लेना देना है या इसका कोई रेप्लिका हो सकता है, और ये जस्ट थिंकिंग कि दूध भाई बहुत बड़ी ताकतवर दवाई है कैल्शियम के लिए.
नहीं, हमारे बड़े तो कह गए हैं कि दूध 2 दिन में 2 बार जरूर पीना चाहिए. बड़े लोग कह गए एंड दे वर राइट बिकॉज दे डिडंट हैव अ सप्लीमेंट बिजनेस दैट टाइम. So this was something which was दूध is a wholesome food except iron. And apple supplements to that. आपने एक एप्पल ले लिया और 2 गिलास दूध पी लिया तो आपका पूरा दिन का सप्लीमेंट्स मिल गए.
Wow, very nice.
In generality. पर दूध का ये है कि कैल्शियम इज डेफिनेटली सप्लीमेंट्स हैं. इन चीजों के कुछ सप्लीमेंट्स आ गए हैं, मल्टीविटामिन्स एंड ऑल, दे आर देयर, बट ट्राई टू बी एज नेचुरल एज पॉसिबल. एज नेचुरल एज पॉसिबल. दूध लें. इफ यू थिंक यू आर फैटनिंग विद द मिल्क, टेक ए स्किम मिल्क, फैट फ्री.
बोलना नहीं चाहूंगी पर आजकल लोगों को ना ये वहम हो गया है कि उनको वो क्रॉनिक इलनेस है जिसे हम कहते हैं ना कि दूध से एलर्जी, लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट है, हम नहीं पिएंगे दूध.
नहीं, कुछ लोगों को एक्चुअल लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंस है. इट इज कैन बी टेस्टेड वेल. इफ दे रियली हैव लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंस, देयर आर ऑल दिस लैक्टेज टैबलेट्स अवेलेबल.
अच्छा.
Oh yes. This is a kind of a hormone or something which can be put, or enzyme you call it, not hormone, enzyme. You put a tablet of the lactase or a powder like you do in Splenda and other powders, and your milk is now you don't have lactose issues now.
That is amazing.
It's so important. So people have flatulence, abdominal pain, cramps, and they can't really take milk well. So they avoid milk because they are not happy with the milk. There are people. So those people, and they're commoner in this part of the world. So these medicines are all there. So now, by the way, there are lactose-free milk available now.
Yeah.
To tell you the truth.
Yes.
So go for lactose-free milk. But do take milk. It helps in generality because other things. If you give you a very simple example, they say जो बच्चा अपनी मदर का फीड लेता है वो लाइफ लॉन्ग हेल्दी रहता है.
अच्छा.
As a matter of fact, because that mother feed is richest in the world as far as all enzymes and all your nutrients, all those vital elements are concerned. So same thing, when you go a little older, we're not getting fed from mother, milk still is a help, So milk is helpful if you taken, if there's intolerance, either take lactose free or take lactase in that, or always try to take it as skimmed as possible. If you think you're gaining weight because of this, because it has got some fat content.
Yeah.
So you can always control that part.
Very nice.
But it's always good to have it. Have a habit. If you're not liking the taste, there are other add-on additions which you can put in there, like हमारे यहाँ Bonvita, Horlicks, or all enzyme or chocolates and all. So we used to love it actually in our childhood. So that can always be done. It is helpful. So supplements vital. The fruits are very helpful. The green vegetables are very, very helpful.
Okay.
And you're taking a lot of salads here, so salads is helpful. Don't take fast food. Avoid it. Avoid. I keep telling people, don't put too much of fat. All these mayonnaise, all those butter. They are not great for the health. And they are taking toll on your heart also. If they're adding weight, they are adding to the heart issues also.
क्योंकि
So
यहाँ क्या है ना, जब जितनी भी फ्राइड चीजें हैं, वो देखिए ऑयल तो उसका बार बार तो रेगुलरली चेंज नहीं हो रहा है, ये आप भी जानते हैं, बट अगेन इट कम्स बॉइल्स डाउन टू द लाइफस्टाइल दैट वी आर लिविंग. बहुत ही फास्ट एंड पेसी हो चुका है, तो किसी के पास
आप फास्ट फूड में जाएंगे जब भी देखेंगे तो वहाँ फ्राइज चल रही होती हैं. If you know it, so what it consuming. So people have to be conscious what they're consuming.
I think we see it and then also we ignore it.
No, because your taste is good,
ये वाली गंदी वाली चीजें टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा करती है.
They fall prey to the taste now. आपकी जीभ जीत जाती है ना, जीभ जीत जाती है, पेट जीत जाता है, आपका दिमाग हार जाता है.
I know.
तो आप you have to take control of the charge of your tongue and your tummy.
Everything is interrelated.
Yeah.
Everything. हम जैसे बैक पेन की बात करें, बैक पेन is the column of your whole structure. मतलब जिस तरीके से आप बात कर रहे हैं ना, अब देखिए आप यहाँ से शुरू होके पता नहीं कहाँ पेन.
Neck pain, this is saying neck pain is to do with the muscles, and there's got a facet joint. Small joints are there. So each two vertebra has got two joints, between them. So we about 52 joints, facet joints in there. So it's not only knee is only two joints, hip is only two joints. No, shoulder only two joints. We have 52 joints come in there. And you can imagine how much pain they can make it. And especially in older age, especially not corrected posture. This is posture related, by the way. So, but they are all needle treated. And I tell you, this is what I see. You see the needle treatment versus the surgery. Somebody has done surgery and not getting a relief, comes to me with a needle treatment, and that's it. This is all we do.
Nothing. Can you see it?
Yeah, just. But many people suffer and they don't go for surgery. Look, this lady came to me, paralyzed. And I told her, why didn't you get yourself treated? Because she answered, my kids, they love me so much, they're not allowing my surgery. And she wanted a 100% guarantee. There's never a 100% guarantee in any treatment on this earth. Never, ever. It's a wrong word. Obviously, doctors back out, and she's now paralyzed on a stretcher and with a catheter on. So I call this not love. This is being envy of, all this saying, this is wrong. This is counter of it. Another thing is, which happen, many people go for a big surgeries. I see Iron Man with the bad back. So you can treat these people with the advanced therapies. Now this is advancement which has come in. This is very new and very effective. Neuromodulation, neurostimulation devices. They're like pacemaker. We have a pacemaker for the heart. They're pacemaker for the spine.
Pacemakers for the spine?
They're pacemaker for the spine. So they put in the spine and they block the pain. Like when your train comes, the road is closed. So something like that happens and the pain is taken care of.
That is amazing.
Put there a battery there. So instead of putting for pacemaker for the heart, you pay pacemaker for the spine and taken care. And this patient got 12 procedures done, 6 surgeries open and 6 interventions. Still in pain, 1 pacemaker could help him. So these are the last resort. They're not the first resort. They're costly therapies, but they're very, very helpful.
They're very helpful.
Same way I was telling earlier, joint pain, if you can come in early stages, you can very well be treated with regenerative medicine And obviously, there are two aspects now. One is the repair, which happens with the PRP and stem cell regenerative therapies. Second is taking care of the pain part, which can be done with radiofrequency nerve ablations. So there are two different things. Radiofrequency, RF we call it, radiofrequency nerve ablation. You can block this signal. It's like a telephone wire. Cut the wire, signal is, it doesn't work. Same thing, you block the nerves, the pain is taken care by because pain is carried by the nerves. So you block the nerves which are not helping you, bothering you. As simple as that.
That is amazing. The one that that is not helping you.
Yes,
So
and sometimes even post knee replacement, patients come with the pain. You put those needles. Can you see those three small things?
Yes.
They are the needle. They take care of the pain part. Now they're blocking the nerves. We do under CT guidance also. Like this is a cancer patient. So we take them to CT room, put a needle there. You see, I'm putting needle in the back, and put some injection there. Taken pain. Again, for that matter, I must say, the as far as cancer pain is concerned, it's very much treatable. It is real and very much treatable. There's no point in suffering. Many people die before their actual death in cancer population. They are in pain for months together. They disconnect from the family. Suffering is a torture for the family. The patient dies in pain and the family stays in the pain for years to come. Yes. I'm telling you, there are histories and they have a trauma. It's typically trauma for the family also. Patient is going to die in any case.
Yes.
In advanced cancer. And pain is the most ominous symptom there. Most common and most ominous also. But one factual fact is, it is treatable. You can take the patient off the pain and let them die painlessly. Painlessly and peacefully. Yeah. Painlessly and peacefully. I'm telling you the word. There have been an example. Patient was suffering. They put them in the hospital, and hospitals are putting them in narcotics and sedate them all through. Patient is already gone before actually patient physically gone, is gone, disconnect from the family. Family sitting outside the hospital for weeks to months together, and they don't have any hello with the patient.
Oh my God.
You do one right treatment for these patients. They are pain-free thereafter. They're back to the village, back to the home. It has happened with me many times. You treat the pain, patient first thing says, I want to die at my home, my hometown. They want to go back to the family. They want to enjoy the family before the last day of life.
Yeah.
And then even if they die, but they're dying pain-free.
Pain-free.
That's the point. You're given, it's a human task. It's a humanitarian task. If you're doing human job, if you're taking pain somebody who's really suffering like this, it's not fair to leave them in pain and let them die in pain.
That is the most wonderful thing that you can do.
Somewhere I get emotional on this account. Another thing which I do say very often is osteoporotic fracture because of lifestyle. And there are more people living older age now, getting to older age. They have a osteoporosis.
So doctor, ये जो आप कह रहे हैं, ये आप कह रहे हैं 50 के बाद ही शुरू होता है?
Mostly yes.
Cases हैं जो पहले भी शुरू हो जाते हैं?
Mostly yes, because normally younger age you have a better bone mass, but it starts reducing, especially post-menopausal ladies, they have a more osteoporosis. Because bone reformation is less.
Bone reformation is
less. And bone damage is more. So it's a balance which is other way around. It's wear and tear and it's other way around. So that happens with the cartilage, knee cartilage, something like that. Same thing happens with the bone also.
Okay.
So when there's more, emptying of the bone, absorption of the bone, resorption of the bone gets empty and you get the empty bone syndrome. And these people have a higher mortality, death rate with the bad quality of life. So all things is called a vicious cycle. They're going down the spiral to death in many times, especially older people. But there are very, very good medical management available. Being aware of, you can negate this osteoporosis and they are back to normal. So one should always try a medical management, and this is a very, very good thing, very advanced science now. But if a fracture has happened, very small thing, put in a needle and through a syringe, put in few drops of cement in there, and cement does the whole job. Within minutes, you take a needle in there, put cement, and come out and take the needle out.
So maybe there was some hollowness that you were explaining.
It's empty bone. Empty bone is collapsing. As
so
simple.
You fill the gap.
In other words, to give a crude example is, if there's wood, उससे termite लग गया, उसने पूरा wood खा लिया, empty हो गया, अब now this wood can't take the weight now, and it's gone. Something like happens in the bone. So osteoporosis is empty bone, and it's like a chalky bone. So what you put in a needle, fill it with the cement, that takes care of the strength of the bone. And many people, gentleman went to Gurdwara one day. Instantly fell, slipped away in the morning. So fractured his spine. It was a very big pain. Look at the fractured spine. Put a needle there.
So he got fractured, you're saying?
Yeah. Here is the fracture. This is the fractured spine. You can see all through this. There's so many fractures in there. Can you see this all cracked bone?
Oh
And
my
you put a
God.
needle there, fill the cement. Next day his walks is okay, and next week is back to
तो ऐसे
Gurdwara.
भी cases होते हैं मतलब.
True.
It's not
I'm giving
कि-
you one other example. Somebody had a single fracture. He was put on a medical management. Good. Very good. We always try that first, but never leave the patient alone. This patient was left alone by this orthopedic doctor there or specialist doctor there. And this gentleman had 6 fractures in about 2-3 months' time and a very big pain. I treated all 6 in one go with the cementing. You see right side, there's all cemented
Oh,
done.
those all are cemented.
Yeah,
ones.
black thing is cement in there. This little cement helps so
Ah.
much, and patient is back to normal. I presented this in the World Congress in Miami.
That is
To tell you the truth,
amazing.
nobody did 6-level fracture in one go one time in the world. Nobody, ever.
Wow.
This is the first time ever. So presented in the World Congress. I was so well appreciated. The field stalwarts, they wanted to come and see my work there. Another thing which is advanced now is, if there's a fracture collapse, balloon open it first and put in a few drops of cement and forget it. So I call it a fill it and forget it. It's a quick fix phenomena. Simple.
This sounds very nice to me. This
No,
sounds
this is
really-
reality. This is reality. This is not sound, this is reality. But just because people don't know about it, then it
Yeah,
sounds. Otherwise, it's a
because-
reality.
सुनने में जो चीज ट्रीटमेंट मुझे इतनी अच्छी और सुंदर लग रही है वो फील कितना अच्छा करेगी. I'm
अब
just
example
imagining.
है, other way around. I'm talking the other way around. This gentleman was operated. You look at the big scar in there. Can you see from here to here?
I
It's
don't
all a
want
big
that
scar.
ever on anybody.
Yeah. No. This is torture for the patient. I don't want to blame any doctor there, but it's a torture. Lock 6 screws in there, and still the fracture was open. So I put a needle and cemented. Can you see the comparison? This is the big scar of the big surgery, and this is all my needle port. That's all. The small hole there, which you can't even see after a week or two. You can't see. This is the only thing which we need to do.
ये है वो प्रमाण. I mean, can you imagine as compared to this thing that was done to this poor patient?
and
Oh my
and this
God.
called Prataksh Kyo Praman Kya, you know.
Yeah, I know.
As simple. It's so there. Another such people and truth of life. I do get emotional and realistic in the real social aspect of it.
That's true.
These are old couple, and many time new modern lives, especially Western also now in India also. Many time kids are gone, flown. They are getting into the careers. They are not with the parents. The parents are all alone by themselves, and they get into older age. Everybody ages.
Yeah.
The parent ages, and they're all alone by themselves. Suddenly, one of the pair has got a fractured spine. Is in the bed. वहीं से ही लैट्रिन बाथरूम भी वहीं से करना है और चल नहीं सकता है. अदर पर्सन इज ऑल्सो वेरी ओल्ड, कांट टेक केयर ऑफ वंस ओन हेल्थ, और दूसरा उसको भी मैनेज करना है. सो केयर गिविंग इज वेरी वेरी बिग इशू. डेमोग्राफी इज चेंजिंग, social backing is gone, and this is what has happened to this patient. And they
Did
keep
this
lying in
happen
bed.
to the patient?
To
Are you
this
saying?
lady, she was in fracture
Was she
for
bedridden completely?
obviously because fracture spine, they're not allowed to walk.
Ah.
So they even have to loo in the washroom and everything there in the bed. And how can the other old couple or the partner can help this patient? So that becomes a bigger problem. Then they take caregiver, so it doesn't really help these patients. Now, there is a flaw. You don't have to suffer. One small injection, in an hour's time, patient is walking back. Believe me, in an hour's time, patient is walking back. There's no point staying in the hospital or in the bed for that matter.
Wow.
I always call them from stretcher to the work, stretcher to the seat, stretcher to the car. They don't have to, stretcher to your workstations. They don't have to suffer. Old people, they have equal right on the life.
Yes.
And all the more important for them because they are in that age. They did everything all their life. Suddenly at older age, they have a fracture and they're lying in bed without help. So it's a curse, So you can take this curse, I say these are liabilities which has come in now.
Liabilities.
And these liabilities you can convert into asset with one single injections.
That is true.
Old people are assets, by the way, in the family. They are the brains.
Yes.
They are the, what do you call?
The backbone of our family.
Backbone of the family. And they really give you courage and everything, everything
we
positivity
need them
in the family.
and we need to care for them.
Yeah.
That is very much important.
Cultural values. So you put them back onto their normal roles as required. So these patients, they really give you a lot of blessings. Another such gentleman.
Oh, that is quite an aged one.
He is an aged one, and this is an old age problem mostly with osteoporosis. He had a slip disc also and a fracture, new fracture also.
Slip
And you
disc,
take care of both. This is all you do. This is smaller than my little finger. Can you half of my little finger?
Oh.
For that matter. And this is just a needle only, like a riffle only. So we just put those two needles in, do the needful. Next hour, you go to the room and he is laughing. Look at this smile. What else you want from this? This is a very big prize or reward, to us.
This is
I've done one for the cancer person. He's had a 6-level fractures gone and he was suffering, bent forward, no help from anywhere. Cancer is being treated, bones are totally eaten up. You put on those few needles in there, here and there, put in cement, look at the patient. Very minute he is put to the stretcher from the OT table and he's smiling. Look at his smile. Look at the smile.
Amazing.
The doctor smiling, patient smiling. You look for that and it's very, very satisfying. And this is dirty fractures. Many times telling you, many part of the world, even in the Western world, people don't touch these fractures. I have those technologies, new innovations, which are present in the New York. Every year I'm invited in the New York Pain Congress, annual Congress. I'm the only one invited from India to present my innovations. They love my innovations.
Wow.
They respect me for my innovations, my newer works.
That is amazing, doctor.
It's beyond thinking beyond the box. So this, you add value to the treatment. You're not just going by the science what you have with you. You're adding value. You're adding new things to the science.
आप क्यों कह रहे हैं कि they prefer not to touch such इस तरीके के fractures?
No, one is a risky fracture. Doing cementing in these fractures is not practical if you don't have those innovative techniques with you.
If you do not have.
So they land with the surgeons. I told you the surgeons example, the big screws and plates and whatnot. It's okay.
हम मूवीज
blame.
में देखते हैं बहुत ही फनी सा सीन है कि जब हम मूवीज में कुछ इस तरीके के सीन देखते हैं जहाँ पेशेंट बीमार है और एक डॉक्टर चल के आता है, हमने अमेरिका से डॉक्टर बुलवाया है, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. मैं ये कहने के लिए बोल रही हूँ, लेकिन आप देख रहे हैं जिस तरीके से इंडिया आज की डेट में एडवांस हो चुका है. वी आर अहेड ऑफ आवर टाइम. वी आर अहेड सो मच. और हमारे पास जो टेक्नोलॉजी है, आई रियली डाउट दैट वी आर गेटिंग इट हियर.
This is innovation. India is, in true sense, we are jugaad masters, in other words.
Oh, yes.
So when it comes to innovation, it comes with jugaad. And we are masters on that. Because here people are very same track, train
Same
track, like thing. They want to go for the same track,
years.
protocol based. So they don't want to try something new unless it's experimental, which is done in labs only. There we are doing all this and in good hands. And by the way, Indians, whosoever gone any part of the world, they are the best doctors there. You talk
That's
this
true.
part of the world
I'm so
or any other
proud.
part of the world, Indian doctors are the best skilled doctors. Machinery and other thing, logistics could be better in other part of the world. That's why they are better off when they come on here. But we have all this available. In a pain field, we don't need big logistics. You need bigger mind and skill. This is all a skill game. So you have more skill, hand skills, and you have a working mind there. So I always call, when you work there, your eyes are on the needle tip. If you know how to place your eye on the needle tip, you've done the job well. And that's what we learn. We are transferring our eyes right on the needle tip, and that is doing the whole job.
Wow.
So this is what I come and teach people here. And people come from all over the world to get training from me for the same in India also.
Achha.
So we're doing this. I'm going as examiner for the fellowship exam in USA and other part of the world also.
Oh,
I'm examiner,
That is amazing.
That's a realization of the fact, what innovative skills I'm doing, I'm having, and I'm
acquired.
dissipating. I'm not just giving to myself, which used to be the phenomena. Until as you teach others, you die with it.
That depends on person to person, but I completely believe कि जो knowledge आपके पास है वो आप दुनिया को देंगे, बांटेंगे, तो उससे आपकी तो कम नहीं हो जाएगी, बल्कि देश, दुनिया और खूबसूरत जगह और knowledgeable जगह बन जाएगी. Doctor, how can I thank you?
No, I tell you. No, fact of the matter is, more you teach, more you learn.
Yes.
That's a matter of fact. So on the note is, then you count your blessing. All these old people, they would have died otherwise if they're not taken care, and they're back to the whole thing. You don't let the people suffer. Be it old, be it young. Be it the young people population. I'm telling people are suffering. So we do this workshop all over, and they keep people coming more. You train more people. Have more hands. I've had 2 hands. I can say with the training, I've got 5 hands now.
Is that your team? Is that your team?
Yeah, no, this is people, they come for training, you know.
Oh, training.
This is one of the training workshop when they come down. So we train the people there.
Very
I went to
nice.
Montreal in Canada, and the declaration was the pain relief is. This is, by the way, I have to thank my family first.
Family.
See, if your family backing is not there, you cannot do those big things in life. So family has to back up. And by the way, it's their sacrifice in many ways.
Yes.
I'm sitting here doing all this. I could have given time to my family. But yes, this is their sacrifice. I'm doing this. And I'm doing it for people, for public, for awareness,
generation to
for
come
science,
as well. For their
for
generation
science.
to come as well.
Yes, yes, yes.
And
yes.
this family is going to remain pain-free. I tell you why. Because they are not just doing the prevention. They are taking care.
Taking care of their father to help others.
Yes.
Or husband to help others. I always thank my family first. One should always.
You must.
Yeah,
You must. I'm so happy.
I'm obliged. I'm truly obliged.
Are your kids also into this field? Are they
No.
doctors?
My kids, it's too much of a demanding job, by the way. And my both the sons are Canadian citizen now. And one is working with Amazon in Seattle.
Oh.
And the other one is in the financial analyst in Toronto itself.
Okay.
And in your town, by the way. And this is a different world. So I'm connected to both the worlds now.
And your wife is a guy.
She is a gynecologist.
Wow.
She's a guy. She's a very. I'm very proud to have such gynecological
So
wife.
one gives birth and one takes care of
pain.
the pain, the people who are actually being born and वो चाहते नहीं है कि वो एक पेन वाली जिंदगी लेके यहाँ से निकल जाए. You know, pain-free life is actually a dream. And thank you so much, doctor.
No,
you are giving it to us.
No, it's good. And when you said one is giving birth, others taking pain, and now we're taking the birth pain also, labor analgesia. So that is taken care of, and pain thereafter. Birth pain and pain thereafter.
Yes.
So it's to be taken care of. And I keep saying, pain relief is human right. It's very much our duty to deliver it. And I tell patients here, sitting all there, pain relief is human right. Claim it. It's your right. You have a right to live pain-free. Please live pain-free. There are so many people available, so many specialists available. We can help you out. But again, then you have to ask for it, claim it, live pain-free. And we are not doing it for our older generation or our parent, grandparents. We are living it. We are doing it for our younger generation. Look at the younger generation. They have a right again. Why? Why one should suffer? Whole world is suffering as it is. Look at the world.
We are.
And here is something you can make people pain-free. And that's your motto.
That's
and deliver it, do it, and live a happy life. One life to live it pain-free, and live it full. Maximize it.
अगर हम अपने पैसे खर्च कर करके, पैसे जमा करके वो बड़ी वाली वेकेशंस लेना अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं, जिसकी हमें शायद अभी जरूरत भी नहीं है, क्योंकि आप पेन में वहां वेकेशंस एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. इट्स बेटर कि पहले पेन को क्योर कर दीजिए. और आप जानते हैं आपको वो पेन हो रहा है बैक में. Don't lie to yourself, because I have been lying to myself for years. I'm gonna go for an appointment as soon as I can, as soon as I am in India. In fact, वो तो अभी मेरे
I've come to know now, but you won't be in pain thereafter.
Today is the day.
Today is the day.
So today is your day. Give yourself this opportunity to meet Dr. Neeraj if you happen to be in India, or if you're in Canada. मुझे नहीं पता अगर यहाँ पे आपसे लोग मिल पा रहे हैं या नहीं.
Let's see. I'm trying. I've got my PR. Let's see if we can manage to, be of help here.
I'm going to give you a number.
Please.
If you don't mind, people might call you a lot.
No, please. It's okay. I try to help as much I can.
That is so sweet.
लोगों की खुशी में आपकी खुशी है.
Dr. Neeraj, this was an amazing conversation. In fact, मुझे काफी कुछ सीखने को मिल गया. यहाँ बैठे बैठे एक प्रेजेंटेशन से शायद मैंने आज बहुत कुछ सीख लिया है. प्रिवेंशन से लेकर, क्योर से लेकर, टू गोइंग टू दैट फाइनल स्टेज जहाँ उसकी नौबत ना आ जाए.
Not surgical care.
Yeah, non-surgical treatment.
Fulfilling life.
Thank you so much. I'm sure आपको भी मजा आया होगा इस conversation.
No, it's been pleasure. I know you're a great anchor. I must compliment you for this, by the way. And the way you conducted the whole thing, and the message, the whole idea is important. People have to know it. There are treatments available. One has to prevent it. If it is by any chance it has happened already, that is the main focus. If it happened already, there are non-surgical cure and treatments available. Don't allow self-medication. Don't allow your kidneys to go, or and that's it. And live it, pain-free. And then you take a big race in life. Life is a race, big race in life. Enjoy it. Enjoy it.
True.
वो हम कहते हैं कि अच्छा सफर कटे. सफर ना
सफर
करें, सफर
बिल्कुल
ना
ये आपने
करें।
सही बात बोली है. So thank you so much for giving your time. Thank you so much for coming to Canada TV.
Absolute pleasure of mine.
And
Thank
you keep watching. कोई भी अगर आपके सवाल हैं comments में हमसे पूछ सकते हैं. And keep enjoying. And this is Amrit Singh signing off along with Dr. Neeraj. Thank you.
Namaskar. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you, my
you.
friends.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye, dear.